Hey guys, Dan Sun Outdoors here, and the other day we went down into the creek and caught an early fall rock bass. If you'd like to see more of this content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and help us get to 200 subscribers, and drop a comment, and yeah, enjoy the video. Look, there's the same fish popping up right there.
Is it?
Yeah, you'll see it again.
You know what? That's why I always caught the bass when I cast it over there. But there's this log right here. If you want to fish here too, there's no green fish.
Alright. Caught a nice little rock bass right here on a little jig. Nice guy right there. Fought pretty hard on my baitcaster combo. Surprisingly hard, actually.
Hi, this is Dad from Dad and Son Outdoors, our YouTube channel. We want to give a shout out to Tubby Guy Outdoors. He gave us a shout out on his Facebook page. We really appreciate that. He's helping us to try and get subs on our YouTube channel. So as a favor to us, back to him, we're just asking you to go to Tubby Guy Outdoors and follow his YouTube channel.